In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Spotify login issue. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is first close the Spotify app and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix temporary glitches that prevent you from logging in. After reopening, try signing in again. Next, make sure that your login details are correct. Double check your email or username and the password. If you're unsure about your password, you can use the forget password option to reset it again and regain the access of your account. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can forget the network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Finally, if none of these methods work, you can try reinstalling the app. Uninstall the Spotify app, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify, and download it. In case you are unable to log in the app, you can use the web version of Spotify. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website spotify.com. Now from here, you can try to log into your Spotify account. And that's it. These are some fixes for a Spotify login issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.